Hey guys, good afternoon. It's March 26th. My birthday is tomorrow. Super excited for that. My sister's taking me to dinner tonight. So I'm gonna get ready right now because she lives in Aurora and I need to go over there anyways right now to get a birthday outfit for tomorrow. So yeah. I'm like out of breath because I went up and down the stairs lots of time because getting my phone from Maddie and all that. Tell me why I forgot I got my eyebrows waxed. Like right now I was like brushing my eyelashes out in the mirror and I was like, wow, my eyebrows look really good. And I was like, oh shit, I got them done. What? I'm in my office, Maddie. What?
Guys, hi guys, I'm almost there. So, guys, I want to tell you a question.
You're gonna ask them a question?
So, me and I is gonna go on Thursday tonight.
Okay, so I look like super pale right now.
I'm on here.
Maddie, go! I need it now. I just got done doing my makeup. Yeah, my eyebrows look like really clean right now because I got my eyebrows waxed. But yeah, so I need to brush my hair out. My hair feels very dry for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah. So I'm gonna brush my hair, straighten it, and then get ready because I have to go to dinner tonight. But I want to go run some errands before I go do that. I need to change my nail polish. I like the white, but I think I'm gonna do matte white. If that makes sense. I don't know. But yeah, so that's what's going on. Also, I have my new phone tripod, which is freaking awesome. Sorry, I'm like trying to tighten it on. I don't know why, I just like... Hey, so I just got home. This is probably gonna be like, this vlog will probably be with my birthday vlog, but hold on.
You want to see my back?
Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Cause Maddie likes to stand up in the dining chair and fell back.
Look.
Here, hold on, let me show them one second. Yeah, so she hurt her back.
And you want to see my arm?
Look it right.
I want to see.
Hold on, let me record it. Turn around. So hold on, put your, if you guys can see that.
Can I see?
Do you want to tell them what happened?
Yeah. So guys, what I just went sitting on the chair and I just fell back and then I hurt my back and my ankle and it hurts really bad.
Baby, that's your arm.
My arm hurts so.
Just at her ankle. That's your arm. These are your ankles. That's your ankle right there.
Because my ankles is like don't hurt me because my arm in my back, but because my arm didn't hurt no more.
Okay. Do you want to get in your pajamas? You gotta get in your pajamas though, cause you gotta be comfy for bed, right?
No, I'm doing.
Oh, you stink.
Because I like this.
Okay, guys. As I was saying, I'm probably gonna make this like a 2-part or 2-day vlog, if that makes sense, because sorry, I'm like having really bad pressure in my stomach, because I didn't vlog that much today. Anyways, I went to dinner with my sister Jackie. That was super fun. Like, I was so happy that she took me out. Then just came home after, hung out. I'm wearing my pajamas. They're all wrinkly and stuff because I air dried them. It's like, even if I don't dry Target's clothes, they somehow still shrink. I don't understand it. Let me know if you guys experience the same thing. Also, I got my nails repainted. The white just was not working. Like, it looks really cute on my toes, but my fingers, it was turning it yellow. But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready for bed. I did want to do self-tan tonight, but I'm not full of the energy right now. But yeah, tomorrow's my birthday. This is my last night being 24 years old. Sad, but it's okay. But anyways, yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Hi guys, good morning. Oh, my eyes are still a little blurry right now. But it's 9 a.m. I just woke up. I don't know, I've been up a lot, like since 4 a.m., like on and off. But it's my birthday. And I'm officially 25. Great. It's like, it sounds so emo, but like, I'm just like, god dang it. Anyways, yeah, my birthday's today. You go potty? Ooh, that's cold. Why is there a Yeti over there? I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee. Josh was gonna give me Starbucks, but the only Starbucks we have in town is actually temporarily closed. The closest one after that one is in 30 minutes away, which that's no. Like, I ain't driving that far for some Starbucks. So I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee, which I'm fine with. Good old cup of Joe. Back in the day, nobody had Starbucks, so this will work just fine. I'm probably gonna do my makeup early today. Yeah. Of course, my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna have to charge it so I can vlog today. But yeah, so I'm gonna drink my coffee, edit a video, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So before we leave, I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this like cardigan thingy from Target. This blouse is from Target. Jeans are American Eagle. My Tory Burch sandals. And my Pochette Matisse. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to head out and go to brunch right now. I'm super excited. I'm starving. Hey guys, so right now we are on our way to go get some brunch. Super excited for that.
Because guys, last night I was sitting on the chair and I fell back in my back.
Yeah,
On the back.
yeah. So yeah, right now we're gonna go and get some brunch. You can show them when we get there, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna go get some brunch. I'm excited because I want a mimosa. I only have like one, don't worry. And yeah, I'm excited. It's my birthday. I just wish I knew what I wanted to do today, because there's nothing really that I'm like thinking I want to do. Obviously go shopping.
Well, Dad did surprise her with flowers and a birthday present.
Yeah, he did surprise me with flowers and a birthday present. I'm still trying to figure out how to use this car. Yeah, we got quite a little bit of a drive.
Guys, I'm going this way. Because my Wi-Fi on YouTube didn't work.
I know. I'm surprised at how quick I put my outfit together, considering I didn't know what I wanted to wear today because I didn't get a birthday outfit. But I am going to get an outfit for dinner. Because I want to wear my Steve Madden boots tonight. So, yeah. I look like very fallish in a way, like fall, summerish, I don't know. Like this burnt orange, I feel like it's like a fall shirt. But yeah, I'm also wearing my Michael Kors glasses Josh got me for Valentine's Day. I didn't really like them at first, but they're starting to grow on me, so I just decided to keep them. It's annoying though how bulky this case is, like holy moly. But yeah, so I'm excited to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I feel like the day's already going by so fast. It's already gonna be 11. Should have woke up sooner. I woke up at like 4 a.m. And then because Josh was like, happy birthday. And I was like, thank you. I woke up at 4 a.m. though. Yeah, you did. So we just got done eating and now we're at the mall.
Hey guys,
Lunch was really good.
Grandma and Jackie's coming.
So yeah, we're gonna go to the mall and do some shopping and I'm excited. Yeah, that's the plan. Okay, we just got done at the mall. We were probably in there, I don't know how long, maybe 2 hours, an hour. Let's see what time it is.
guys.
So yeah, we've been in the mall for about 2 hours, and we're leaving.
We're gonna go. Where's it called?
We're gonna go to Marshall's because I still want to try to find like a shirt I want to wear. But I went to Victoria's Secret. I got a huge bag of stuff.
And I got.
And then we went to Lush. Maddie got a bunch of stuff from Lush too. I got a lot of comfy clothes from there, like shorts and stuff.
What I got? So I got bath bomb.
Okay, put it back in because I don't want it to get everywhere in my car. Put it in the bag. Okay. I'm just tired. It's hot. And yeah. So now we are gonna go to Marshall's. I gotta go though. So I'm here at the car wash right now. I decided to get my Tahoe washed, put some gas in her because we're actually gonna take her. I'd rather take this like when we're all together because it's very uncomfortable for me to sit in the passenger seat in the Mercedes just because it's like it's a small car, so it's very like small, you know, versus like with this I could at least like, you know, be comfortable when I'm in the passenger seat. Like I love driving the Mercedes when I'm driving it, but when I'm sitting in passenger it's just not ideal. It's not comfortable, versus like me sitting in my Tahoe as a passenger, very comfortable. So yeah, I decided we're gonna take this, put some gas in her. Yeah, that's pretty much what I did. I'm so excited though, because I forgot Wednesday I have my hair appointment, and then Friday Maddie's gonna be going with her grandma for the weekend. Josh and I are gonna go to opening day. It's pretty cool. But yeah, my birthday is almost over. It's 4 o'clock. It sucks, but what can you do? At least it's my birthday weekend and I could celebrate tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm getting the car washed and then we're gonna go and head down to Denver.
So you put the caps in it. God, it makes it sound like it doesn't shoot bullet.
So amazing. Your story. Hey guys.
We just finished dinner and I am so full. It's like I'm uncomfortably full.
Me too.
Girl, put your seatbelt on.
No, my arms is in there.
Take them off.
My jacket.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Oh my god. But yeah, I'm full. I'm tired now.
Me too.
I chose the wrong place for dinner. Should have got McDonald's.
Should we not
What would
be
you say?
done?
Yeah, I just feel like uncomfortable.
It'll go away. In about an hour or so, it'll go away.
Hi guys, so I forgot to tell you guys what happened yesterday, so I'll do that right now. So basically Josh and I went to dinner and then I ended up getting a surprise birthday party.
Oh, what?
A surprise birthday party. And I felt very loved and spoiled.
What'd you get?
I got a lot of gifts,
You
which
should
I'm
show
gonna
me.
do a whole video on
You should
that.
do the special ones.
I'm gonna do a whole video on that one. But yes, we are. Babe, McDonald's. Can you slow down? I wonder why the gas is bad when you do that.
It's a Mercedes.
But now we are going to my friend's house. Do you guys like my new t-shirt I got? I'm gonna do a full haul video on what I got for my birthday. Yes.
Guys, it's Bree house.
Yes, we're going to Bree's house. I also got a gift certificate to get my nails and toes done. And what else did I get?
Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, Starbucks.
Chick-fil-A, Starbucks, Sonic, and Chipotle, Chick-fil-A,
Her family
Starbucks,
loves
Sonic.
Her. Let's just say that.
Yeah.
Did you guys see the Snapchat feed?
My sister even got me Birkenstocks,
Go ahead.
white sandals.
Go ahead.
Friend's house.
I
Are you tired? Well, then go to bed.
want my window.
I can't because I'm not on Daddy's side. But yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys on what we're doing. And I think I'm just going to end the vlog right here because I know I'm not going to vlog at their house.
Guys, subscribe to our channel.
Yep, subscribe to our channel.
And make a big thumbs up. And you it.
Yes.